What is going on, guys? Today we're here in Port Arthur, Texas, and this is Edith's place. I was just driving up here and saw this little shop. It said it was open, so let's go check it out. Seems like it has some good food. There's a lot of people in the parking lot. Let's go. All right, guys, made it to Edith's place over here in Port Arthur, Texas, and they have lunch specials. They also have this thing called Daily Poor Man Special, which is $5 for sausage, red beans, and rice, which I probably should get because that's probably be more than enough food, but they also have like different specials every day. So on Mondays, there's meatloaf, baked chicken. Today's Tuesday, so there's fried chicken, turkey necks, smothered pork steaks, but I'm decided to go with one of the turkey necks. I'm gonna go with turkey necks. I got a side of red beans and rice and sausage, and then also mac and cheese. There's a guy that actually watches my channel here. That's what he got, so he watches the channel. That's what he got. That's good enough for me, so that's what I'm getting to. Looks like they make all the food over here in the back. Looks good. I'm excited to eat it. We'll try some of it. And then they close at 2. I came here at like 1:45. I had some business to do over here in the city of Port Arthur, so I just happened to be driving by, saw this place, and was like, let's stop by, let's do a review. All right, got my food pretty quick, less than 5 minutes after I ordered. Let's take a look at it. Right there, cornbread on top, the foil, and then everything else. Turkey, necks, red beans and rice, mac and cheese. Let's take a look at it. So there's the turkey necks right there. You got the mac and cheese, and then finally the red beans and rice. And of course the cornbread. So I would say like turkey necks are kind of like the poor man's oxtails. Still delicious, still good. Not as meaty because oxtail is more like beef. This is chicken, but let's try it. Looks good. Let's just do this little thing. Let's see how tender it is. Ooh, right there. There's that tenderism. Right there. Falls off the bone. Let's try it. So it's got the rice, gravy underneath it. Cooked well. Let's try a bite. Really good. Super tender. Tasty, the gravy's good. And they put extra gravy on top of the rice too. Really good. Turkey neck. Turkey neck is almost like eating fish because there's always a lot of like bones that you miss whenever you're breaking it apart. Could use some hot sauce, Tabasco. So I'm gonna find some of that and we'll put some on. So they do got some hot sauce. They got Tabasco. They also got Louisiana. I'll put a little Tabasco on there. Someone was asking me like, why do you put Tabasco and salt all over your food? I'm like, that's the way I eat. That's how I eat. So I'm gonna eat how I'm gonna eat. And if it tastes good the way I eat it, then it's good to me. Y'all might not do it, but that's how you eat. This is how I eat. So let's try it. Let's try it now with Tabasco. Still good. Also, oddly enough, somebody was commenting on my Facebook about, like I said, I put Tabasco on everything, FTW, and then for some reason he thought it meant some kind of gangster talk or whatever, or it meant something weird in his own brain. That means for the win. I've never heard it anything else. Y'all are crazy sometimes in the comments for sure. But yeah, this turkey neck, tasty. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 pieces, I can't tell. This is good. Again, like poor man's oxtail. For my drink, I got me some raspberry tea. Very tasty. Sweet. Good, goes well with the food. Lots of bones. Let's try the red beans and rice over here. Looks good. So this part is just red beans and sausage, and then I guess the rice is over here. So you gotta kind of mix some of the rice with your red beans. So let's try it. A little more sweeter than what I'm like used to, for sure. This is when the Tabasco comes into play to balance it out. A little more sweeter than I'm used to. Then we'll try the mac and cheese over here.
You said what? One, right? Yes, one.
Good, solid, nothing crazy, but it's a good mac and cheese. Finally, the cornbread. This one actually looks pretty moist. Like I told you before, I've had some really, really dry cornbreads. Let's try this one. It's tasty, pretty tasty. Mix this up with the turkey necks, everything else. Good meal. So I'm gonna finish this up and I'll talk to you outside, tell you what I think about Edith's place here in Port Arthur. But yeah, so far, so good. All right, guys, so that's me from Edith's place over here in Port Arthur, Texas. What I think about it, I thought that the food was good. Like, the red beans and rice is a little bit sweet, but the price for everything, 12 bucks for my meal. I'm telling you, in today's food pricing, that's cheap. I know I've gone to a lot of places, that meal will cost about 20 bucks anywhere else. So yeah, solid food over here. What would I give it as a score? I'm gonna give it a 3.8. Red beans and rice was a little bit sweet for me. The food was good, but overall, 3.8 for me. Solid score over here. Go check it out. Good pricing, 12 bucks for that. Go check it out in Port Arthur, Texas. Edith's place. And don't forget, you guys, want to follow me in the food, follow me at Beaumont Foodie. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.